I was 14, mama, when your light went out. Me, my sister, and my baby brother, learning life with no hand around. No father at the door, just your name in the air. But you left us love, and we still feel you there. In Samoa, we still rise with your fire in our chest. Every hard day, every long night, I can hear you in the test. You said hold your head high, even when the rain came down. Now I wear your pride like a crown. Miss you, mama, miss you, mama, queen of my heart, queen of my heart. Miss you, mama, miss you, mama, you never left my heart. Your love made me strong, your love made me whole. Loving you is a piece of my soul. I remember your hands when you fixed my shirt, the way you spoke soft when the world would hurt. Your salute stayed in everything we do, how to greet this life and keep it true. My baby brother laughs with your same bright face. My sister stands tall with your grace. In Samoa, we still rise with your fire in our chest. Every hard day, every long night, I can hear you in the test. You said hold your head high, even when the rain came down. Now I wear your pride like a crown. Miss you, mama, miss you, mama, queen of my heart. Miss you, mama, miss you, mama, you never left my heart. Your love made me strong, your love made me whole. Loving you is a piece of my soul. I got your wisdom in the way I move. When I trip and fall, I still follow your groove. I thank you, mama, for the man I am, for the love you planted in this broken land. If I ever shine, it came from your light. If I ever win, you were there the whole time. Sometimes I still talk to you like you're in the room, tell you all my secrets, tell you what we do, and I swear I feel your smile when the Samoan night turns gold, like you wrapped your arms around us and you never let go. Mama, I hear you in my name. Mama, I carry you the same. Miss you, mama, miss you, mama, queen of my heart. Miss you, mama, miss you, mama, you never left my heart. Your love made me strong, your love made me whole. Loving you is a piece of my soul. So I thank you, mama, for every tear and prayer, for my sister, for my brother, for the love you put us there. Miss you, mama.